Hello, this is a pacemaker clinical tutorial. We'll be examining the lower limb. My name is Dr. Adam.
Assess for gait and balance if the patient is able to walk by telling the patient to initially stand from a sitting position and walking. Look at the bedside for any walking aids or orthotics. Start by inspecting the limb attitude. Inspect whether there is any foot drop or any rotation, like external or internal.
Okay.
Next, start by checking SWIFT, which is scars, wasting, involuntary movements, fasciculations, and tremors. Complete this by assessing for inducible fasciculations. Assess the tone by telling the patient to relax the legs, move the leg from side to side in a leg roll manner, lift the leg from under the knee upwards. Assess for individual joints, rotate the hip joint as it's a ball and socket joint. The knee and the ankle joints are hinge joints. Assess whether there's increased tone, hypertonia, or reduced tone, hypertonia.
Move your leg from side to side.
Begin the assessment of power by telling the patient to raise their leg one after the other. The ability to raise the leg against gravity is a power of 3 in the involved muscles. This is a point of reference for power. Thereafter, assess individual muscles, hip flexion by supporting the other hip, hip extension.
Let me not push you. All right. Lift your left leg up. Let me not push you. All right. Let me not push you.
Abduction
Let me
and
not pull you.
adduction. Knee
Lift
flexion,
your knee up.
knee
Let me not pull
extension.
you. Let me not push you. Lift your knee up. Let me not pull you. Let me not push you. All right. Take this back.
Ankle extension
All right. Come down.
and ankle flexion.
Come down.
Eversion
Take this
and
out.
inversion.
Come inside. Take this outside.
Assess for
Bring it inside.
reflexes and score the reflexes. Assess the knee jerk bilaterally. Assess for the ankle jerk. Assess the plantar response by stroking the lateral plantar aspect of the foot up to the little toe and move medially towards the big toe. Flexion of the big toe and flexion of the other toes is a normal sign. Babinski is positive when there's extension of the big toe and spreading or fanning out of the other toes, suggestive of an upper motor neuron lesion. Assess for ankle clonus in patients with brisk reflex. More than 5 beats is pathological.
Spastic is a medical education platform that is student-focused. We have several programs that are dedicated to medical students from year 1 to year 6. We have online question banks, that is OSCE question banks, history-taking question banks, MCQs. We also have programs for KMPDC students who are foreign trained, and we also have programs for medical officers undertaking the postgraduate exams. Our core values are reflected in our motto, which is Docendo Decimus, which is by teaching, we learn. If you want to learn more about us, follow us on our channels in YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, and look at our dedicated website for more.